Today we're diving into one of nature's most dramatic and awe-inspiring winter events, the bomb cyclone. These storms are not only visually stunning, but they also have the power to reshape entire landscapes and disrupt daily life in a matter of hours. This isn't your average storm. It's a weather system that rapidly intensifies, a process meteorologists call bombogenesis. When this happens, the storm's energy multiplies, creating a force of nature that can be both beautiful and dangerous. Imagine a low-pressure system whose central pressure drops by at least 24 millibars in just 24 hours, like a balloon suddenly deflating, pulling everything inward with incredible speed. This rapid drop in pressure is what gives the bomb cyclone its explosive power. Right now, a powerful system is brewing over the sea near Sakhalin, gathering energy from the warm ocean waters and preparing to unleash its force on Korea. The atmosphere is charged and the stage is set for a dramatic transformation. This bomb cyclone will pull frigid air from the north, transforming our mild autumn into deep winter almost overnight. The temperature will plummet, and landscapes that were recently golden with autumn leaves will soon be blanketed in snow and ice. It's not just about cold. Expect typhoon-strength winds, heavy snow, and a biting chill that can make even the most prepared shiver. Roads may become impassable, and power lines could be threatened by the sheer force of the wind and snow. These storms show how the ocean, atmosphere, and land interact in powerful, sometimes dangerous ways. The energy from the sea fuels the storm, while the cold air from the north intensifies its impact on the land. Understanding how a bomb cyclone forms helps us prepare for what's coming. Meteorologists use advanced models and satellite data to track these storms, giving us valuable time to get ready and stay safe. In the next scenes, we'll break down how this storm intensifies, how the cold air travels, and what happens when it arrives. We'll see how quickly conditions can change, and why it's so important to stay informed. We'll also explore some fascinating side effects like unique cloud formations, swirling snow devils, and dramatic wind patterns that only appear during these rare events. Let's get started and witness nature's winter fury up close. How does a simple low-pressure system become a bomb cyclone? What transforms an ordinary weather disturbance into a force of nature capable of reshaping coastlines and disrupting entire regions? It's all about rapid intensification, a process where the storm's power ramps up at an astonishing pace, sometimes in just a matter of hours. As the system moves over warmer ocean waters, it draws in moisture and energy. The ocean acts like a giant fuel tank, feeding the storm with heat and humidity. Warm, moist air rises, cools, and releases latent heat, fueling the storm and dropping its central pressure even further. This release of heat is like adding rocket fuel to the system, making it spin faster and grow stronger. This creates a feedback loop. Lower pressure means a steeper pressure gradient, which means stronger winds. The winds, in turn, pull in even more warm air, accelerating the process. For a bomb cyclone, the pressure must drop at least 24 hectopascals in 24 hours. This one near Sakhalin is expected to drop over 30. That's a dramatic plunge, signaling explosive development. The key is the clash between cold, dry Siberian air and warm, moist ocean air. When these two air masses collide, the energy released is immense. This temperature contrast creates instability, rapidly intensifying the storm. The greater the difference, the more violent the reaction. The result? A highly efficient atmospheric engine, converting ocean heat and air mass contrast into powerful winds. These winds can reach hurricane force, reshaping the landscape in their path. These storms can seem to appear overnight. One day, a mild low. The next, a monster storm. The transformation is both dramatic and dangerous. It's a vivid reminder of how quickly our atmosphere can change. In just hours, blue skies can turn to chaos. The bomb cyclone is evolving fast, and its rapid growth signals something major is on the way. Meteorologists are on high alert, tracking every shift. This is weather at its most dynamic, raw, unpredictable, and awe-inspiring. It's a powerful display of nature's energy. Let's see what happens next, as the bomb cyclone unleashes its full force. As the bomb cyclone intensifies, it acts like a giant vacuum, pulling air from the frozen north, Siberia. This powerful system doesn't just stir up local weather, it sets off a chain reaction that stretches across thousands of kilometers. The force of the cyclone is so immense that it draws in frigid air masses, setting the stage for a dramatic transformation in the region's climate. This Siberian Express channels a river of bitterly cold air straight toward Korea. Imagine a relentless current of icy wind racing southward, unstoppable and unyielding. It's as if the Arctic itself is reaching down, sending its chill directly into the heart of East Asia. The Earth always seeks balance, moving warm air north and cold air south, but a bomb cyclone accelerates this process. Instead of a gradual shift, the exchange becomes sudden and intense, with temperature swings that can catch even seasoned locals off guard. Meteorologists track a mass of air at 1,500 meters altitude, at -6 degrees Celsius, a key marker for snow reaching the ground. This altitude is crucial, as it tells forecasters whether the cold is deep enough to turn rain into snow, and how severe the winter weather will become. Before the storm, Korea's air was mild, but now, deep freeze air is being dragged over the country. The landscape transforms almost overnight, as gentle breezes give way to biting gusts and the first flakes of snow begin to fall. This isn't just a surface chill, it's a deep, penetrating cold that changes the entire atmosphere. The cold seeps into buildings, creeps under doors, and lingers in the air, making every breath feel sharper and every step outside a challenge. You'll see the sky turn steely gray, feel the wind shift, and notice the air becoming drier and heavier. People bundle up, their breath visible in the frigid air, as the city braces for what's to come. The southward plunge of Siberian air is the engine of the coming cold snap. It powers the transformation, driving temperatures lower and lower, and setting the stage for a true winter spectacle. The bomb cyclone is the conductor, but the cold air is the orchestra, about to play a wintry tune. Together, they create a symphony of weather, with howling winds and swirling snow as their instruments. The stage is set for a dramatic change. As the first signs of the storm appear, people rush to prepare, stocking up on supplies, checking weather updates, and bracing themselves for the coldest days of the year. Let's see how temperatures respond, and witness the full impact of this Arctic invasion as it sweeps across Korea. The cold air's arrival brings a dramatic temperature plunge, more like falling off a cliff than a gentle slide. Winds shift from the south to the northwest, delivering the Siberian Express. Daytime highs drop sharply, nighttime lows plunge below freezing. Clear skies at night mean radiational cooling, making the cold even more intense. The critical -6 degrees Celsius line at 2,500 meters pushes south, bringing midwinter cold weeks early. This sudden freeze stresses infrastructure, agriculture, and anyone outdoors. Preparing for such a rapid drop is crucial. Don't be fooled by a mild autumn day. Watch for signs, shifting winds, crisp air, and a pale, hazy sky. The atmosphere is rearranging itself, and the result is a biting cold that demands respect. This is more than just weather, it's a powerful physical process. The cold snap is here, and it's time to get ready. Next, let's see what happens when moisture meets this Arctic air. Snow and wind are on the way. The bomb cyclone doesn't just bring cold, it brings moisture and ferocious wind. As Siberian air sweeps over the warmer Yellow Sea, it picks up moisture, forming heavy snow clouds, especially along Korea's west coast and islands. This sea-effect snow can dump intense, localized snowfall, disrupting travel and daily life. Strong winds create blizzard-like conditions, reducing visibility. The steep pressure gradient fuels typhoon-level winds, especially along coasts and mountains. These winds can damage buildings, topple trees, and create hazardous seas. Weather advisories are already in place. Secure loose objects and prepare for outages. The classic signature of a major winter storm: freezing temps, heavy snow, and ferocious winds, all arriving at once. Amid the storm's fury, nature paints a masterpiece, the Kármán Vortex Street. Seen from space, these look like swirling tadpole clouds trailing from obstacles like Halasan Mountain on Jeju Island. As strong northwest winds hit the mountain, they split and create spinning vortices in the air's wake. The result? a repeating, geometric pattern of clouds stretching for hundreds of kilometers. These vortex streets are a stunning example of fluid dynamics in action. The clarity of the pattern reveals the strength and stability of the wind flow. When you see these clouds, it's proof the Siberian Express has arrived. Science and art, painted across the sky by the wind. Even in severe weather, beauty emerges. While the west coast braces for snow, the east coast faces a different threat, the Typhoon effect. As winds cross the mountains, they lose moisture, then descend and warm, creating mild but extremely dry conditions on the east coast. This dryness, combined with strong winds, turns forests and grasslands into tinderboxes. The risk of forest fires skyrockets. One spark can trigger a major blaze. It's a stark reminder. The same storm can bring snow to one side and fire danger to the other. Geography shapes the hazards we face. Stay alert, no matter where you are. With a bomb cyclone approaching, how do we stay safe? The answer: science and preparation. Meteorologists use satellites, weather balloons, and computer models to track and predict the storm's path and intensity. Based on these forecasts, agencies issue advisories and warnings like heavy snow, strong wind, or cold wave warnings. When you hear these, stay informed. Check weather updates on TV, radio, or your phone. Prepare your home, secure loose items, and have an emergency kit ready with essentials. The best advice during a severe winter storm: stay indoors if possible. Avoid travel. Snow, ice, and high winds make roads dangerous. If you must go out, dress in warm layers and cover exposed skin. Heed official warnings, not out of fear but out of smart preparation. Meteorology gives us the knowledge to protect ourselves and our communities. Stay safe, stay informed, and be ready. Let's see what we can learn from this storm. As the bomb cyclone bears down, it reminds us of nature's immense power. What began as a simple low-pressure area has become a winter tempest, pulling Arctic air south and reshaping our weather in a day. We've seen how rapid intensification, the Siberian Express, and the Typhoon effect all play a role. Even the beauty of the Kármán vortex street tells a story of wind and land. Understanding these processes empowers us to prepare and appreciate the world around us. Science isn't just in labs, it's outside our windows, shaping our lives. As the storm arrives, remember, knowledge turns anxiety into appreciation. Stay safe, stay curious, and marvel at the dynamic planet we call home.